Welcome back, my friends. I'm so excited you are here. We have the cutest and funnest paper craft. We're going to start with yellow stock paper. This is just part of a bundle of multicolor that I get on Amazon, and also some construction paper. This is just leftover pieces of pink one, red, and black one as well. We're going to use a cup with a large side and a smaller side. We're going to use both ends. We're going to use some double-sided tape. We're also going to be using these hole punchers. These are shape ones. I love using these. I do have these in my Amazon store if you want to check them out. They are linked down in the description box. Love the shapes. We're also going to be using these popsicle sticks. They are multicolored, but you can use regular ones as well. I'm going to use my hot glue. I'm also going to be using my scissors. And we're going to get started. We are going to trace the larger portion of the larger side of the cup onto the yellow page, and I'm going to do as many as I can fit on it, which was a total of 5. Once I have them traced, then we're just going to cut them. As easy as that. Don't worry about it being a perfect circle. We're just having fun. It's about the process. So once I have them shaped into nice circles, then we're going to start creating, hear this, emojis. How cute is this? These could be emojis that you can share with your friends. You can also, I'll show you. But anyways, I am going to take the heart-shaped hole puncher and the red paper. We're going to start punching 6 hearts. We're going to start getting things punched and ready, and then we're going to put things together. We're going to take the black paper. We're going to trace the smaller side of the cup, and we're just going to cut it out. And then we're going to take the same side of the cup and we're just going to trace it to create half a moon. So just kind of trace it like in the middle of the circle and then cut that off. We're creating a nice open smile. We're going to put everything together for the first emoji, and we're going to use double-sided tape. I did use some glue stick as well because it seemed to work well for the smaller pieces. We're going to add a little smile there to the bottom, and then we're going to take the hearts and we're going to add a little bit of that double-sided tape, and we're going to place them right there. And this could be the cute little heart eyes emojis. How adorable is this? Oh my goodness. All right, moving on to the second one. We're going to take the leftover black piece of paper. We're going to cut out what will look like a little tiny smile. Now you can also use marker, and you're going to see me here that instead of cutting paper, you can also use markers if you want. I am going to use the marker here to create some cute squinting eyes. How adorable is that? And then we're going to add some more hearts. This is going to be the one where it's just like multiple hearts around the emoji. How cute. And this is where I start using my glue stick because it just worked better. So adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to put that one to the side. We're going to cut off another one of the smaller circles, cut it off, and then we are going to do the same thing we did earlier, and we're going to trace half a moon and cut it off. Just like that. We're going to attach this one once again to the bottom of the emoji. And then for this one, we're going to use the red paper again, but we're going to use this star cutout, and we're going to glue those to the top. This will be the starred eye emoji. So easy and so fun. We're going to cut off 2 black circles with the hole punchers. We're going to cut one squinting and add the other one nicely circled. This will be the kiss emoji with the wink. You know what I'm talking about. I'm going to add some cute little eyebrows and then puckered lips and then a little heart right there. What a cute little kiss emoji. We're going to cut up another circle, and then for this one we are going to again cut it off into a half moon, and then we are going to attach it again to the bottom of the emoji circle using my glue stick. For this one, we are going to just make some squinting eyes. You know what I'm talking about. How cute. And we're going to use the pink paper to create a tongue. This is the one that has that tongue sticking out. We're going to cut it up. I'm going to make a little shadow with the pencil just to add that little center tongue portion. And then we're going to glue it right there to the inside of the mouth. Oh my word. These are adorable. Now you can leave them as is. You can put them on the popsicle sticks like I'm doing. I'm using hot glue. You can also use regular glue if you'd like. Or here's a fun thing. You can put magnets, and you can put these on your refrigerator, and you can leave little emoji notes for your family. How adorable. You can make the crying emoji. You can make the mad emoji. The possibilities are endless. You can have so much fun with this craft. Let me know what you think. And as always, if you want more fun crafts, you can check this next video out. Click on it. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.